What's up, folks? Shocks aren't as hard as people make them out to be. Usually gonna be 3 to 4 bolts, some odd size. This is a 13 millimeter. 1, 2, bare minimum 3. Look right back there. See that hole? Okay. I'm not gonna tell you who did this, but whoever designed this made sure that you couldn't get your ratchet back there. Get this job done, so you're gonna have to take all of this off. Looks a little something like these, but you would recognize it more like that. Pop all those tabs, get it out of your way, come down here. Get these bolts out your way. Gonna pop this loose. What do you know? Make sure you get your speed sensor out of the way. Keep it safe, tuck it away. Speed sensors get tucked away. Don't allow it to get beat up or you'll pay for it. Literally. Once you get that loose, that bolt that's way back there, you're gonna go ahead and get that all the way out, because you won't want to be playing with it at a time like this. It can hold on to. All the pressure's gonna be on one. You're just gonna get your hand under there, get you a real good grip, because it's not all that heavy. Push up on it, then you'll be able to just remove it by hand at that point, because all of these should have been broken in a loose state before you got started. That's all to it. Check you next time.